To maintain optimal performance and ensure safe operation, it is important to periodically clean your PAPI LED projectors. This routine maintenance can be done easily and safely without professional tools. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and a mild glass cleaner. Avoid abrasive materials or strong solvents that could damage optical components. For your safety, before starting the cleaning process, ensure that the power source is turned off and the device is completely powered down. Never disassemble the projector. Doing so may result in decalibration and void the warranty. Gently wipe the front glass surface to remove dust, dirt, or moisture buildup. You may also wipe down the outer housing of the projector to remove any dust or debris that may have settled on the surface over time. Gently wipe the front glass surface to remove dust, dirt, or moisture buildup. Clean the optical element responsible for the transition zone very delicately. You can also gently wipe down the inside of the PAPI housing to ensure it's free of dust and contaminants, taking care not to disturb any internal components. Carefully clean and wipe down the PCB and other internal components, focusing on areas where dust and moisture can accumulate.